Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And so my channel is a jump, so click the subscribe button. It's the red button down below, so you, because a lot of people don't know what subscribe is. I get this question all the time. So see where it's written Makhadzi Mukhuba, at the end there's a little arrow. You click on that arrow and then it's gonna open like the description box and whatever, and right below my name there's gonna be a red button written subscribe. You just click on that and you're done. And if it asks you to sign in, you just use a Gmail account and that's it. Because people think you have to pay, they think you have, wow, I've gotten some really interesting questions about subscribing, but it's not that deep, guys. Thank you. So I've been postponing recording this video. Y'all know this because I asked Facebook like a month ago to ask me questions on QnA anonymously. Yes, QnA still exists. And yeah, the thing is, I was getting the same type of questions and I wasn't feeling it. And then a few days ago I asked Instagram, because you guys wouldn't let it go. I just thought I would miss it, you guys would forget that I asked you, and then you guys kept on asking in my inbox, kept on asking me when I'm walking, on my WhatsApp, whatever. So I took it to Instagram as well, asked Instagram, thinking that it will somehow revive. So I really don't want to be doing this, but you know what, I started it. I need to pull through, okay? So yeah, don't forget, subscribe, like, tell me any other videos that you want to see, as long as it's not a Q&A, because I'm never doing this again, okay? Ever. So let's get started. Let's stop wasting time and let's get started. Where do you buy your clothes? That's a tough one to answer. You know, if you ask me specifically like where did you buy this, and then I can say that I bought this way. But my clothes are from, I'm one of those people, when I go to a mall, I walk into every single store, like even male stores. That's why it's off of malls, because I want to see everything. You never know what you're gonna find. What do you do for a living? I breathe. How old am I? 21.1. okay. What year are you doing? Such a strange question. Aren't we all doing 2018? I feel like we're all doing 2018. Like, what's your take on dating as a Christian? I don't know. I really don't know. I have not researched this. I cannot bring out a scripture and say the Bible says this. I don't know. So I feel like, just if your church allows it, flourish. If your church doesn't, flourish. Do whatever they say at your church. I don't know. What does your pastor say? I don't know. I really don't know. Have you ever had a boyfriend? Wow, in preschool there was this little cute little boy called Parker, and yeah, it was in preschool. How old was I in preschool? I was 5 years old. You inspire me so much. Aww. And I would really love to have you as my mentor / close sister. I believe there's a lot to learn from you. My number is 07. Okay. Thank you. I'm very flattered, but wow. I also need a mentor myself. Hey, like, my life is a mess as well. I don't want to ruin yours. I really don't want to ruin your life. I'm sorry. When I have my ish together, I will let you know, okay? Yeah, and then I can mentor somebody else, maybe. I don't know. Have you ever dated before? I'll answer that. Are you currently in a relationship? Nope. Do you like people imitating because they look up to you, like legit? Well, imitation is the best form of flattery, so... And besides, we're all imitating. I don't know why people say like it's a bad thing, like, oh my gosh, she's trying to be you. We're all imitating someone. There's nothing new under the sun. Like, everything comes from someone, from somebody's idea. We all get our inspiration from somebody. So if people get their inspiration from me, like, wow, okay, I ain't complaining. I'm gonna even tell you, if you need to know anything, like where I got a certain type of dress or where I got my hair or whatever, I'll let you know, okay? I'm not one of those people that are just stingy with such information. Okay, describe your personality. Are you talkative / quiet, and what type of people do you associate yourself with? My personality is depends on who you are. I have like 67 different personalities. It just depends on who you are. Like, if I'm free around you, I'm somebody else. If I just met you, I'm very shy. If I've known you for a long time, I'm rich. It depends. It depends on the person and the vibe the person is giving. I don't know how to just, I really don't know. And what type of people do I associate myself with? Everyone. I am not picky about my friends. Like, legit, if you amazing, if we gel, I don't care where you're from, I don't care who you are, whatever. If we gel, we can be friends. Like, I'm really not picky. Would you please be my mentor? I answered that. Are you ready to change your title yet? From Miss to Doctor? Yes. Why do you avoid people at church, especially Sunday school kids when they greet you? Okay, look, I feel like you're one of those people that just assume that I'm a certain type of way instead of just coming to me and talking to me. Like, have you ever greeted me and I kept quiet? Like, do you expect me to walk around being like, hello everybody, how are you today? Greeting. If we go to the same church, you know how big our church is. It's impossible to talk to everyone. And also, the whole Sunday school kid thing is a lie, because legit my friends get annoyed with me because every 5 steps somebody stops me, like the little ones especially, to hug me, and I cherish those hugs, guys. Those are the best time. Like, it's the best time of my week. They make my day, they make my week, they make my month. I love the hugs. So I just feel like you being unnecessary. Like, come greet me. Guaranteed 110% I will most likely greet back and start a whole convo with you. I'm just that type of person. So the questions that I'm gonna be skipping are the questions that I'm not sure if I should answer, because wow, they're not really about me. They involve other people. So I'll see at the end how I feel, and that was the question that was most asked, that everybody was asking. I'll see how I feel at the end, you know. Yeah. Are your parents choosing your career? No. Are you Christian? Sure. Well, what type of question was, okay, you know what? Since you've traveled around the world, which country/place gave you the most unforgettable highlights and why? I haven't traveled around the world. The world is huge. Like, I've been to a couple of places, but yeah. Which places? I don't know. I can't pick. I feel like Hawaii, maybe. Yeah, Hawaii. That was my favorite. Yeah, that was my favorite place. Your skin is gold. Do you use any face wash, and what product do you use on your face? I can't even finish it. Do you use on your face daily? I know you lie. I know my face ain't perfect, okay? I know my skin is terrible. Like, I have a permanent rash. I'm not the type of person there's a reason why I haven't done a skincare routine on this channel, because wow. Anyway, but if you're being serious and you actually think my skin is goals, wow, thank you. And well, what do I use on my face? You know that Sunlight white bar? Yeah, I use that. And lotion, I use like any lotion that I find in the house. Honestly, I don't even remember the last time I bought lotion. I really don't. Whatever I find in other people's rooms or in the house, or what's going on my face. What is your vision for this YouTube channel? Exactly what do you want to accomplish with it? So far, I'm not thinking long term, to be honest with you guys. I'm just taking it a day at a time, weekly. I'm taking it weekly because I post weekly. Because I'm doing it because it's something that I can put my energy into, something positive, you know, when everything else is on top of me and I feel like I can't breathe. It's kind of like an escape. It's fun for me to do. And I feel like I'm one of those people where when it starts being stressful or when it's not fun for me anymore, I will stop it, because I don't believe in doing something that doesn't make you happy. So right now I'm just doing it, living for the moment, because it really makes me happy to do this. I'm not getting paid for it. It's just, you know, yeah, but I really love doing it. What's this? Oh, I really love doing it. So yeah, I don't think I answered your question, I'm sorry. Hi Khadzi, on one of your videos you said that you were insecure about your looks and now you know that you're pretty AF. Hell yeah. Okay, not today because this makeup look is terrible. Anyway, I would like to know how you gain that confidence, because I'm in my 20s and I struggle with feeling beautiful or pretty. How I gained that confidence, I just started telling myself that I'm beautiful. Like, that's it. Because I was one of those people that used to dwell on the negative things, what people used to say about me, like, oh my gosh, you're big, or I don't know, like, your face is a 4. On the negative, I'll believe it when people tell you good things about yourself. Because when somebody would come to me and say, Makhadzi, you're cute, Makhadzi, you're pretty, whatever, I used to be like, oh, whatever, you're just saying that. But now I believe it. When somebody says you're cute, I'm like, I know, thank you. When somebody says you're pretty, you're beautiful, I'm just like, I know, thank you. Like, I dwell on the positives, I internalize it, and I also tell myself every day, like, Makhadzi, you popping, sis, you popping, you're popping. And then you just start to believe it. So block out the negativity, let the positivity enter, and you'll just, you know, yeah. When are you going to be taking a live video? Because I want to ask you some serious questions live. Why couldn't you ask me here? If you had the time to type this out, you could have just, I feel like you're trying to ambush me. Not gonna happen, sis. Oh bro, whatever you are, not gonna happen. I have a feeling you're a bro. Are you single? If not, who's your boyfriend? Who killed Senzo Meiwa? I know who asked this question. Like, how am I supposed to know? I wasn't there. But we all know who did it though. We all know who did it though. We all know who did it though. It was... Anyway. What's up with short girls in anger? Ooh, the things, wow. Wow. So disrespectful. But I read that short girls are angry because they're closer to hell. I hate you guys for that. I really do. I think we're always angry because nobody takes it seriously. Yeah, that's why. The best year of your life was when and why? 1996, the year I was born. Nobody expected anything from me. I would just wake up, cry, poop, sleep, and everyone thought I was the cutest thing ever. And then next thing, 1 year hits, they start expecting me to walk. 2 years hit, you're supposed to start talking now. So much pressure, people start expecting things from you. Later on, you need to go to high school now, you need to go to school. Next thing, you need to go to varsity. Next thing, you need to start providing for your family. Like, it just goes downhill from there. So 1996. Lay's or Doritos? Lay's. I can't stand Doritos. What music is playing on your phone now? It's I'm Getting Ready by Tasha Cobbs featuring Nicki Minaj. I really like that song. Yeah, I don't know what I was listening to, because when do I listen to music? Day before yesterday. So yeah. The one famous person you look up to? Yara Shahidi, a queen. Oh, I love her. I love her so much. Sweetest thing you've done for someone? I do sweet things all the time. I can't pick. Wow, I do. Wow, I wish I was my own friend. I'm an amazing friend to have, guys. Like, wow. You need to fix your attitude. Nope. What do you look up to? Who do you look up to? Yara Shahidi? I don't know. The one person you'll never forget besides family. I feel like there's couple hundreds of people that I'll never forget. Like, people that have had positive impacts on my life, negative impacts, people that did me dirty. I'll remember all of them. I can't pick one. I'm sorry. If you could turn back the clock and undo something that happened in your life, what would you do? I know this sounds cliche, but I wouldn't change anything. because it has brought me to where I am today. I've learned stuff and blah 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 blah. You know the saying, like, I don't need to say it up for you. Are you a believer in love, and why? Where do you see yourself in the next 10 years? I'm not gonna tell you. You expect me to sit here, give you a blueprint on how to lawyer me? Like, I'm sorry, I believe in witchcraft. And there's no way I'm gonna sit here and tell you that, oh my gosh, in 5 years I want to be working for this, and then later on I want to open this, I want to do this. Miss me. You're gonna see it as it happens if I want you to know. Okay? Like, miss me with that black magic, miss me with that Limpopo magic, miss me with that Zimbabwe magic. Just miss me, okay? Nope. Nope. Not falling for it. No. What is your biggest fear in life? Being unhappy. No, getting into a career that just makes you feel miserable. And you wake up every day like, why am I doing this? I feel like life is supposed to be fun. No, not a chore. You're not supposed to just survive. You're supposed to live it. And my biggest fear is me just, you get what I'm saying? I can't put it into words, but yeah. Do you like Tepoma? Okay. He asked this. I know he did. He did. Like, yes, you're a very nice person, Tepo. Very big heart. Very motivated. Very motivating. Very driven. Homeboy opened his own Callistos. Is it a Callistos? Yeah, opened his own whatever. He's living. He's very inspirational. Yeah, and he's a great friend to have. Hey Khadzi, I have 2 questions. Number 1, what is something that you think everyone should do at least once in their life? Something that scares you, something that is irrational, but to you it makes sense. Something that to everyone else is like, oh my gosh, you are so crazy. But all the great people in this world did something that the world was telling them that is, no, you shouldn't do that, it's crazy, it's not normal, whatever. So just do something, jump into the deep end, face your fears. Yeah. What hobby would you do if you had the time and money wasn't an issue? Travel around the world with my dog. Yes, that's what I would do. And YouTube, probably YouTube also. Yeah, this is really fun. I would really wish I had the time to do more videos. And yeah, 2 questions. Are you in a relationship? If I invited you to my birthday bride this Saturday, would you come? Oh, I would have loved to, but you asked this 5 weeks ago. I'm sorry. Happy belated birthday. Craziest thing you've ever done as a teenager? How much time do y'all have? I can't pick one. I can't. Wow, guys, my life is a movie. My life has always been a movie. So, I can't pick. Wow. I can't even pick the craziest thing I've done this week. That's how my life is. Yeah. Surely people expect you to be a bling bling girl. What keeps you grounded? They do. And is there anything that makes you not want to be yourself? No, I'm amazing. I'm joking. No, I am. It's good to tell yourself that you're amazing. So I wouldn't want to be anyone else. Bling bling girl. I'm not sure if I understand your question. I'm sorry. People expect me to be the bling bling girl. What keeps me grounded? Wait, people expect me to be a bling bling girl? What does that mean? Okay, keeps me grounded. My upbringing, I guess. My parents. I don't know. I feel like I need to go to a psychologist to answer that question. What year are you doing again? We're all doing 2018. Okay, maybe, I don't know. How many countries have you been to? Honestly, I don't know. I will sit down, count, and then put the number here. Like, right down here. Money or loyalty? Money. Loyalty ain't gonna pay the bills. Can you pay my bills? Can you pay my telephone bills? Can you pay my bills? I answered most of the questions, and I don't want this video to be 30 minutes long. I feel like 20 minutes is fine. And one asked if there's pressure. Definitely, but there's pressure on everybody in this world to do something. So yeah, your life is underneath the microscope, but I don't know. Anyway, subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Like, comment, and yeah, never doing a Q&A ever again. It was fun though. The questions that I read out were alright, but the ones that everybody kept on asking,